Search and seizure in the school system has caused many court cases. Knowing what your legal rights are as an administrator will hopefully help you keep your name off of a case. Here are some tips regarding search and seizure in the school system. First, you must know that the Fourth Amendment provides protection of all citizens, including students, against unreasonable search and seizure. There must be probable cause or reasonable suspicion to perform a search. Knowing when to perform a search is key. School officials need only reasonable suspicion to initiate a search. This is much less rigorous than the requirement involving probable cause. Reasonable suspicion is based on information received from students or teachers that is considered reliable. Anonymous informants are not considered reliable. Before initiating a search, take into consideration the following factors: the student's age, history, and record of behavior. The gravity of the problem and the need for immediate search should also be considered. A school search should be based on reasonable grounds for believing that something contrary to school rules or something significantly detrimental to the school and its students will be exposed by the search. The information leading to the search should not involve law enforcement officials. Searches involving law enforcement officials must be accompanied by probable cause and a search warrant. Although the primary purpose for the search should be to secure evidence of student misconduct for school disciplinary purposes, under certain circumstances, criminal evidence may be made available to law enforcement officials. Always try to avoid personal searches unless there is immediate danger. These searches may only be justified in extreme emergency when this is an immediate threat to the health and safety of students and school personnel. There must be convincing information to support this more intrusive search. If a personal search is needed, school personnel should conduct the search in a private setting, taking as much care as possible to minimize embarrassment to the student. If a pat-down is needed, it should be performed by school personnel of the same gender. There should also be another adult witness present. Finally, arbitrary searches or mass shakedowns cannot be justified as reasonable and are illegal. The guidelines for search and seizure are vague. Obviously, common sense and good judgment play into the decision-making process.